This is the unboxing of the Dell Pro 27 Plus 4K USB-C hub monitor, model P2725QE. Category 5.4M. It features a 27-inch in-plane switching IPS panel with LED edge light technology. Inside the box we have the quick setup guide, safety, environmental and regulatory information, the monitor panel, stand riser and base, 1.5 meter power cable, 1.8 meter DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable, 1.8 meter USB Type-C to Type-A, and a 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable. The panel measures 14.04 inches high by 24.11 inches wide by 1.97 inches deep. It has a native resolution of 3840 by 2160, 16 by 9 aspect ratio, a refresh rate of 100 Hz, brightness of 350 candelas per square meter, and a response time of 5 milliseconds. Connect the stand riser to the base and secure them together with the thumb screw on the bottom of the base. Then insert the two tabs on the top of the riser into the back of the panel and lower the base until the stand clicks and locks in place. Dell provides a 3-year limited hardware warranty, including advanced exchange service and premium panel exchange. The monitor has anti-glare display screen coating with 3H hardness, 178 degrees vertical and horizontal viewing angles, swivel capability of plus or minus 45 degrees, pivot rotation of plus or minus 90 degrees, tilt range from minus 5 degrees to plus 21 degrees, height adjustment of up to 5.9 inches. The monitor also supports 100 mm by 100 mm VESA mounting. On the back of the monitor, we have one HDMI, one DisplayPort 1.4, one USB-C upstream, one USB-C downstream, 3 USB Type-A downstream, one RJ45 Ethernet port, Kensington lock slot, menu control joystick, and the power button. Here we have connected the monitor to a PC using the provided DisplayPort cable with native resolution, and then switch to a lower resolution. We also show the Windows display driver information. Next, we connect an HDMI cable, switching from native resolution to a lower resolution. Using the menu joystick located on the back of the monitor, you can scroll through the various menu items to adjust brightness, contrast, manual input source selection, various color presets, display options, language selection, and display monitor and support information. Here we switch the menu language from English to French. Here we disconnect the DisplayPort cable and connect an HDMI cable to show the monitor auto-detecting the input source.